Did you know that in the 80s, the NASA Jet Propulsion Lab needed a way to protect astronauts against unfiltered light in space? So they created polarized lenses to eliminate 99% of UV radiation. But you don't have to go to the moon to snag some polarized sunglasses. So stick around, because today you'll learn when you should and should not wear them, and whether you really need them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fuse channel. I'm Eric, and this is the destination on YouTube for all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. And we've created sunglasses with state-of-the-art polarized technology. So we're kind of experts on this topic. Not to brag, well, maybe just a little bit. But before we find out if you really need polarized lenses, let's cover the basics of how they work so you can make an informed decision. Because, like you'll find out in a bit, some people should not wear polarized sunglasses. Polarized lenses work by blocking out a specific kind of light called horizontal light, which is the kind that causes glare. So have you ever been at the beach and noticed the bright light reflecting off the water? Or driving on a sunny day and you get flashes off a car bumper or window? That's glare. And it can temporarily blind you, which is dangerous for certain activities that we'll talk about in a minute. The polarized lenses solve that problem. They essentially have built-in filters that only allow vertical light to pass through, aka the kind that doesn't cause glare. Now you can learn more in our in-depth guide to polarized lenses linked below. And subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our other videos on all things sunglasses and lens tech. Now give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to find out if polarized lenses would be a good investment for you. Now, depending on factors like buying from a name brand, getting special frames and customizations, or adding anti-reflective or color-enhancing tech, polarized sunglasses can run you anywhere from $25 to $450 more than non-polarized shades. For example, if you're looking to add glare protection to Oakley Holbrook frames, the most basic polarized lenses will still add $60 to your subtotal. But the price difference can definitely be worth it for the benefits like clearer and sharper vision, not being blinded by glare, increased color saturation, and more eye comfort for certain outdoor sports and activities that I'll cover in a sec. But wait, before you spend a bunch on new polarized sunglasses, listen up. A lot of people don't know that you can get affordable, color enhancing, and polarized lenses in any pair of frames that you already own. Stick around to learn more. Like I mentioned earlier, some polarized lenses take it a step further by including color enhancing tech, also known as high contrast or HD lenses. These lenses are polarized but have additional light filters that improve color contrast, fine details, and even reaction time. Now learn more about how color enhancing lenses like Oakley Prism work in this video linked below. And see an HD lens demo of top brands in that video. All right, now for the answer to the question you've been waiting for. So when do you need polarized lenses? Well, ultimately, polarized sunglasses are best for outdoor activities that involve heavy levels of glare. So for example, boating, fishing, and sailing can be blinding sports because of how much glare is reflected off the water. And that's when polarized lenses come in handy, because they eliminate glare and can even help you see further into the water and catch more fish. Now, our video on the best sunglasses for fishing will give you some shopping inspo, so make sure to check that out. Now, driving when you're blinded by heavy sun or glare off the road during a rain or snowstorm is super dangerous and actually causes up to 9,000 crashes per year. So as long as your car doesn't have a LCD dashboard, investing in some polarized lenses could be an investment in your own safety. Check out our best sunglasses for driving video to learn more. And even when there isn't inclement weather, roads and sidewalks can reflect a ton of glare. So activities like biking and running can be more dangerous. Our next video is on the best sunglasses and lenses for running. So subscribe and hit the bell. But if you've noticed from the Oakley example earlier, getting polarized sunglasses can be pretty pricey if you want high quality ones that'll last. Luckily, Fuse makes affordable, top-notch lenses. So for full transparency, if you do any of the following activities, polarization can actually be dangerous. For example, if you operate heavy machinery, ski, fly, do high-risk outdoor sports like mountain biking and rock climbing, Or if you drive a car with an LCD dashboard, you'll want to avoid them. And that's because polarized lenses change depth perception by making things appear closer or farther away than they really are. Plus, they interfere with the light that's emitted from LCD screens in airplanes and some cars. Now, you can learn more about this in videos on why polarized sunglasses are dangerous for pilots, where we also cover some safer eye protection alternatives. Since they affect depth perception, polarized sunglasses also aren't recommended for precision sports like golfing, but there are some great lenses for golf that we'll go over in a second. At Fuse Lenses, we cut customized lenses for thousands of sunglass models across hundreds of brands. And if you can't find your model on our site, just send us your frames and we'll make and replace the lenses just for you. So just head to fuselenses.com/YouTube and get 15% off your first purchase, or click the link in the description. You could also choose from any of our stylish, sporty, and practical frames, like the new Calidesian Archer models that are a spin on the classic Ray-Ban Clubmaster, or our Ancloak that has spring hinges and a rubberized nose pads, and that'll stay put when you're out playing sports or on the water. And we have more performance frames coming soon. We offer over 20 polarized lens options, including color-enhancing polarized, starting at just $64.99. If you play ball sports that require quick reaction times, you might consider investing in color-enhancing lenses that can improve your depth perception and reaction time. Our AMP HD lenses use a patented AI technology that works 4 times better than the competition. For example, AMP Brown is a polarized color-enhancing lens useful in variable light conditions and rocky terrain, which is perfect for hiking and running, and AMP Glacier works best in the bright sun near water, like fishing or a beach day with your friends. And earlier, I mentioned the cons of polarization for precision sports. Our color-enhancing, non-polarized AMP V26 was made specifically to decrease reaction time for activities like pickleball, archery, golf, and shooting. Plus, our Pro and AMP lenses all include an anti-reflective coating, which protects you from seeing glare on the inside of your lenses. Now, if this video helped you decide if you should get polarized sunglasses, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.